A lot to talk about on the weather front this morning. Want to get right to meteorologist Dana Moretti. We have a Fox 61 weather alert.
Yeah, the possibility for some wintry mix out there as we go on through the day today. Especially this morning, we'll watch a little bit of snow and sleet and freezing rain, all kinds of things to develop across the state. So a number of things to talk about in the weather department here with cold temperatures out there this morning and that wintry mix moving in. A winter weather advisory in effect for the entire state as we go on through the day today with those temperatures that are on the cold side this morning in the teens and 20s. Now, they're all below freezing. So the issue is, as we have some of that wintry mix moving in, it could be freezing on contact. So if you see some rain falling from the sky, just assume it's icy as we go on through the day today. It's 21 degrees in Torrington now, 21 in Windsor Locks as well. So you got a ways to go until we get up above freezing. The shoreline will warm up first. Right now you're at 29 in New Haven and 28 at Groton. And as we're going through the rest of the morning, we'll hopefully change things over to some rain fairly soon. And hopefully there aren't any major issues with icing, although it is a possibility. So you just got to be ready for it. Just prepare for it and hope it doesn't materialize. Now, as we go on through the rest of the morning, we'll see some of this precipitation starting to move in. A little bit of that snow and sleet falling from the sky. So a number of things happening during the day today, especially this morning with that possibility for some snow, sleet, and freezing rain, and then eventually just some regular rain. So it's going to be a changeable forecast here as we go on through the day today with that wintry mix out there. So that's why, saying wintry mix just kind of sums it up, because you could have 4 different types of precipitation falling at the same time across the state. And as we're going through the rest of the day, that warmer air moves in, and we'll change it over to all rain as we go on through the afternoon into the evening. But even into central Connecticut, you still could have some lingering wintry mix even by 3 or 4 o'clock, even 6 o'clock this evening. It's still a little bit of leftover wintry mix out there. So just be ready for that. It's going to be a little bit of a nasty day today. And even by this evening, and it's tonight, look at that, 11 p.m. tonight, heavy rain out there as we have that just nasty storm system overall. Now, this isn't anything huge. This is not like one of those bombogenesis kind of storms, but it's enough. You could be dealing with some rough conditions out on the roads, not only this morning, but also through the rest of the day today and into tonight. And even by tomorrow morning, a little leftover rain showers kind of scatter across the area, and then maybe a little flurry later on Tuesday. But the general trend here is to get those numbers up as we go on through the rest of this week. A lot of 40s coming in for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and even Friday as well. But for today, that wintry mix with a little bit of rain in there as well. Temperatures kind of gradually rising, eventually getting into the mid-30s. That sun coming up at 6:57. I don't think we're going to see any sunshine today, though, and at least it'll get darker around 5:14 this evening. Some lingering rain and mix tonight with temperatures into the 30s. And then as we go on through the day tomorrow, as I mentioned, maybe a little leftover sprinkle in the morning hours, and then things kind of gradually dry out during the day. So we'll get some sunshine in here by the afternoon on Tuesday. But temperatures will be in the 40s. We're going to keep it in the 40s throughout really the entire rest of the week, going into the first half of the weekend. So mild weather fills in. It's going to feel pretty nice out there, as any remaining snow that's on the ground should start to melt as we go on through the rest of this week. Look at these temperatures. So today, keeping it chilly. Tomorrow into the 40s, keeping it in the 40s on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all with a lot of sunshine. So some beautiful weather filling in. Mostly cloudy on Saturday with temperatures into the 40s, and then back down to the 30s on Sunday. But overall, a pretty warm forecast. But the bottom line is for this morning, just be ready for some wintry mix out there, those slick spots in the next few hours, especially around like maybe 8, 9, 10 o'clock. We could start to see some slick spots developing. So of course, we'll keep you up to date with that, always on fox61.com and the Fox 61 Weather Watch app, and on social media as well. We'll keep you up to date wherever you are. That's the latest for now. We'll send it back to you.
And could you just repeat really quickly for my friend Symphony, when was that beautiful weather you said?
The beautiful weather?
Yeah.
The middle of the week.
Good stuff.
All right, good to know.
Yeah. She could say good morning sunshine and actually mean it as we're going through the middle of the week. Look at that.
Yeah.
Not that you don't mean it, but we'll have at least some sunshine out there.
It'll match. Everything will be.
Yes, it'll match.
Yeah, okay.
All right, speaking of sunshine.